6-bed 6.5 baths house. This stately 6-bedroom, 6.5 bathroom center hall colonial sits proudly in the sought-after neighborhood of the Roslyn Country Club. With its 2-story foyer, this palacious home greets you with an abundance of natural light and an inviting interior. Gleaming wood floors, custom woodwork, 10-foot ceilings and decorative balconies fill the home with warmth and luxury. This functional and comfortable floor plan boasts spacious and flowing rooms, including a living room with fireplace and formal dining room with coffered ceiling and butler's pantry. No cost is spared in the chef's kitchen with high-end appliances, expansive island and quartz countertops. The eating kitchen has a separate breakfast area that flows into the den, where another fireplace and coffered ceiling adds to the ambience. The kitchen and den have sliding French doors that open out to a sizably paved patio and to a lush sweeping lawn. This home has a first-floor bedroom/office with an elegant ensuite bathroom, as well as a perfectly adorned powder room that has soft accents of gold. The signature curved staircase creates a stunning entry to the second floor. There, the primary bedroom has yet another fireplace, 2 walk-in closets, and an indulging spa-like bathroom with a steamed shower, soaking tub and 2 separate oversized vanities. There are 2 additional bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and 2 bedrooms with connecting bathroom. Quality workmanship continues on the lower level of this home with an expansive, fully finished open basement, and with a separate and generously sized room for a potential home theater. This basement is completed with a full bathroom, spacious laundry room and separate outside entrance. Additional features include radiant heated floors throughout, central vac, 2-car garage, full house generator, in-ground sprinklers, gas line at patio for grill and professionally landscaped grounds. Truly a fabulous home for the discerning buyer. East Williston schools, near major shopping and highways. Taxes are not assessed. Throw out some offers.